Hey, Mike, today I want to talk about Sundial Growers because it had an impressive run yesterday, up over 23% and up even more after hours. It's up to 83 cents now. This is stock that we started talking about back when it was probably, um, around 50, about 50 cents, and then it doubled, and then it continued to move up. And the reason why Sundial Growers is gaining a lot of momentum is because of something called the MORE Act vote. And this is a vote that's going to be taking place on the House of Representatives on Friday. Before I had mentioned that the vote was going to take place between Wednesday and Friday of this week. However, it looks like the floor vote is going to take place on Friday. That means that this stock should have some more room to run. What I basically talked about is that I think the cannabis stocks, especially something like Sundial Growers, will continue to move up until the floor vote, where it's expected that the MORE Act will pass. However, I do think we'll get a sell-off after that because this bill will be blocked in the Senate. So the MORE Act is basically the Marijuana Opportunity Reinvestment Expungement Act. And basically this bill is to legalize cannabis nationwide and to expunge people who had received convictions for federal marijuana-related crimes. So it's basically to normalize the sale and use of cannabis across the country. There's a lot of reasons to like this bill because it would take basically something that was illegal, kind of like prohibition with alcohol in the 1930s, and take the profit off of the hands of criminals and put it into Congress, or at least the United States government, where it can be taxed and regulated. But like I said, Chesar is not going to pass in the Senate, but will pass in the House. But the overall reason why you should know about this is that Sundial Growth should probably continue to grow, so to speak, on Thursday and on Friday up until the vote. So I'm going to keep you abreast of the situation when exactly the floor vote is going to be, because I do think the stock will fall after the vote. It may happen during trading session on Friday. It may happen after hours. If it happens during trading on Friday, I'll put out an emergency video or I'll put a post. Just check out my post. If it happens after hours on Friday, which is less likely because I think Congress, the House will probably only stay in session a few hours after 4 p.m. on Friday, I will just do a post. I'll let you know in one way or other. Just keep a track of my channel with the videos or the postings, and I'll let you know. But if the vote doesn't happen at the end of the day Friday, I suggest that you just get out of the stock or take a short-term profit on Friday. Because you never know what's going to happen to the stock. I have a feeling after the vote happens, like I said, the stock will probably pull back. Long term, I think Sundial Growers is going to move higher just because I think marijuana is going to be more and more legalized across the country, and therefore their business is going to be more and more normalized, and there'll be more demand for the product. So definitely keep a look on Sundial Growers, trades on NASDAQ under symbol SNDL. So if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.